Hello everyone. This is an official invitation from Will Duckworth, lead strategist at Narrowgate Trading, to join him live for 2 hours on most weekday mornings from 7:30 to 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to watch him trade foreign currency pairs, Forex, as he streams live online via his YouTube music channel, Expiated Music. Will has over 15 years of retail trading experience and, over time, has developed his own unique, innovative trading system, which he calls numerical price prediction. Duckworth is now looking forward to sharing his market analysis with others at no cost, just for fun. His goal is to give less experienced traders a peek into what it looks like to trade based on clear-cut guidelines and logical discipline. Bear in mind, however, that Will is not a licensed financial advisor, so any ideas shared on his part merely represent his own personal opinions and should not be construed as a recommendation to buy or sell any financial asset. Will is just a regular guy who hopes sharing his take on the market for entertainment and educational purposes might help others to develop their own trading skills and knowledge. Accordingly, whatever actions you take, if any, must be based on your own thoughts and due diligence. Note also that there is a high degree of risk involved in trading, and past results are no indication of future returns. It's therefore your sole responsibility to evaluate the accuracy, completeness, and usefulness of Will's observations. You should assess the risk of any trade with your broker and, at the very least, make your own independent decisions regarding any securities or currency pairs mentioned on Duckworth streams. Nonetheless, Will is looking forward to these sessions as a fun way to spend a couple of hours each morning and hopes you are too. If so, he'll see you there. But in the meantime, have a good one. Bye for now.